Oh, isn't that sweet? He's so okay with everything.
You can move closer to the light.
I think this is actually really sweet.
Woo, you got him up on his feet there.
I think it shows how easygoing he is. Look at him! He's so easygoing. He's just like, oh, I'm stretching. Oh, she's got me. She's not gonna let me fall. I know. I have faith. I'm a Buddha bear. I'm just a little Buddha bear. Look at me. Oh, I'm purring. I'm purring. Wow.
Didn't wake him up.
He's
much.
not. He's still purring. He's like, oh yeah, you're gonna hold me upside down? Okay. That's cool. Oh my god. Wow, he's so sweet. Look at his baby.
He's a ragdoll.
Part ragdoll. For sure. For sure, for sure. Hello, bear. Oh, what a sweetheart you are. Oh, why are you still purring? You are. Come on, baby. Pose for the camera. You're a sweetheart. You're so big for your age. Because you're going to be a big kitten. Someday you're going to be a big cat. And he's got that little spot, which I think one of the babies has suckled on, so it doesn't look quite right. But his little white dot. How is he? Is he looking okay? Look upside down and look over there. Sheesh. He's fun to mess with. He's fun to hold. I never realized how fun it was to hold him in all sorts of weird positions before. I never tried it before today. He's just so mellow. Oh my god. So mellow. Okay. Oh.